Installing a PON board. The GPON interface board works with the Optical Network Unit, ONU, to provide access to GPON services. Note, wear an ESD wrist strap or ESD gloves before installation. Press the buckles at both ends of the filler panel and slowly pull out the filler panel. Turn outwards the ejector levers on the front panel of the board and insert the board smoothly along the guide rails of the slot. Secure the board to the sub-rack using the ejector levers and the positioning holes of the sub-rack. Warning: when installing or maintaining optical fibers, do not look into the optical port without eye protection. Remove the dust plug from the board and insert the optical module. Remove the dust-proof cap from the optical connector. Connect the optical fiber to the optical module. Note, the curvature radius must be greater than 40 millimeters. Attach labels to the ends of optical fibers. Ensure that the labels are attached neatly and in the same direction. Use optical fiber ties to bind the optical fibers at an interval not exceeding 250 millimeters. Check the device status against the check items one by one. Turn on the power supply. If the run alarm indicator blinks green slowly, on for 1 second and off for 1 second, the board is running properly.